everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix files loading error in Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. In order to fix the problem, first of all, go to Play Store application. Now search for Mobile Legends. Here, if you see the update button instead of play, then you'll have to update the app. Similarly, the next solution is to go to Settings application. Scroll down and go to Apps option. Click on Manage Apps. Here, search for Mobile Legends. Click on the Storage option. Now click on the eraser icon that says Clear Data. Select Clear All Data option. And if you're sure, click on the OK button. This will log you out from all of your account. Now the next time you wanna play the game, you'll have to sign in again. So that is how you can fix files loading error in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.